Okay, class, today we're going to read a fun book called Millie Monster's Earth Adventure, a book of seasons. Millie Monster lived on Jupiter with all of her alien monster friends. One day, she found a rocket ship sitting in the middle of a field just waiting for her. Millie hopped into the rocket ship and set off for a planet called Earth. When Millie landed on Earth, it was January. On Jupiter, Millie was always warm, but on Earth, she was so cold. There was some sort of white powder falling from the sky, and the ground was covered with white, so she couldn't even see the ground she stood on. Brr! Millie decided to go for a walk to see what she could discover. The first thing she found was a tree. She knew this was a tree because she had seen one on her Jupiter TV set at home. Aren't trees supposed to have leaves, though? Wondered Millie. The next thing Millie noticed was that there were no flowers. Millie was sad because her Jupiter TV at home always made Earth look so pretty with grass and flowers. Millie decided to keep walking. Millie came upon a giant cave with a brown, furry creature sleeping in it. Maybe this nice creature will tell me why there are no flowers or grass. Millie woke the sleeping bear and asked him where the flowers and grass were. The bear only told her that they were gone because it was winter. Winter? Millie walked along for 3 whole months until eventually it turned to April. Millie noticed flowers and grass on the ground around her. Yay, Millie thought. She was finally warm, and the earth around her was exactly what she imagined. Millie met so many new friends on her walk through the grass and flowers. She met a butterfly that was the same beautiful color that she was. I'm so glad I found the flowers and the sun and the grass, cried Millie. Well, you found those things because it is finally spring, replied a nice squirrel. Spring? Millie was so confused. What were winter and spring? And why did the earth change the way it did? That didn't happen on her Jupiter TV. While Millie thought about these questions, she walked for 3 more months until it turned into July. When Millie finally looked up, she realized the trees were greener, the sun was hotter, and more people were out to play. She found a nice boy sitting on a bench and asked him what had happened to the cool air and bumblebees. He told her that those things were gone now because it was summer. Summer? What are all these things people keep talking about? Winter, spring, summer, and why is it raining so much in July? Millie wondered to herself. I would ask someone why it keeps raining, but I bet they would tell me it's because it is summer. So Millie kept walking. Millie walked for 3 more months until she knew it was finally October. This is so strange. Weren't those leaves just green? And now they're all different colors? What is going on? Millie was shivering from the chill in the air when a nice owl found her and stopped. Are you upset? Asked the owl. No, I am just very confused, cried Millie. 1 second it's cold, then it gets hot, and now it's cold again. And the colorful leaves are beautiful, but why are they falling off of the trees? Well, said the owl, all of those things are happening because it is finally fall again. Fall is my favorite season because it's not too hot and not too cold. Millie thanked the owl for his help and kept walking. Millie was about to turn back to find her rocket ship when she came across a nice fox and decided she just had to know what was going on. Mr. Fox, could you tell me what everyone means by the words winter, spring, summer, and fall? Asked Millie. Sure, exclaimed the fox. Those are our seasons here on Earth. Every 3 to 4 months, the weather and plants start changing. This is just Earth's way of letting the plants go through their life cycle. It happens because the Earth is always spinning. Oh, cried Millie. I understand now. I guess I'm not going crazy. My Jupiter TV didn't say anything about seasons. I guess I have learned something new by coming to Earth after all. By the time Millie got back to her rocket ship, it was winter again, and she was ready to get back home to Jupiter. Millie made it back to Jupiter and was so glad to see her friends. She told them all about Earth's seasons, and they asked if she was going to go back. Earth was neat, said Millie, but I think I'll stay on Jupiter for a while. The end. I hope you enjoyed.